Welcome. If you've noticed that captions on Facebook feel too small or too large on your PC, there's a simple way to adjust them using the latest update. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to change the text size of captions on Facebook web so they're easier and more comfortable to read. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another list of options. Go ahead and select Settings to enter the main settings page. Now that you're inside Settings, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through it until you find Media, then click on it. This section controls how videos and captions appear on your account. In the media settings, look for the option labeled Captions Display. Right next to it, you'll see a setting for text size. Click on it and you'll be able to choose the size that works best for you. Whether you prefer larger text for better readability or smaller text for a cleaner look, this is where you make that adjustment. After selecting your preferred text size, don't forget to click Save Changes. This step is important, otherwise your new settings won't be applied. That's it. Your captions will now appear in the size you selected whenever you watch videos on Facebook. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in your viewing experience, especially if you rely on captions often. Give it a try and customize your captions so they fit your comfort perfectly.